Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out the deer form. I'm going to trace, actually I just cut it out, and now I'm going to trace it. This is a reenactment already of what I've already done. I just wanted to show you how I came up with it and how you can do it yourself. How you can make beautiful party favors for not too much out of pocket, for on a budget, on a dime. Come up with something unique, beautiful, something they can keep forever, and something memorable for my daughter, for her first baby shower, for her first child. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cut it and you're not going to see the brown. I used I've already used 2.5 full foam sheets. This will be the third of it, the last sheet. This will be my third sheet. And I have been getting 6 deers per row. Looks sloppy right now, and that's okay. Just trying to show you how easy it is, simple for you to come up with something creative and beautiful, memorable. So then what I'm going to do is cut these each individually. So this one, it had a staple in the ear. I should have just kind of overlooked it, but the pink will go right here, the inside of the ear, so it's not going to hurt anything. I'll go ahead and cut that out. You don't have to be perfect with all these, these cutouts, because you're going to enhance it with your paint. And all your pretty little embellishments, if you choose to use that. Now, if you have a different theme for a baby shower, it doesn't have to be a deer. You can do anything with these. I've done different baby showers for people who have paid me to buy to create for them different party favors. And I've done these before. A lady came to me and said that her daughter-in-law chose pink Pretty Little Elephants, and so I created party favors with these foam sheets. So you can do anything. Rabbits, you can do, if it's for a boy, you can do little trucks. So as you can see, we're going to define it a little bit better here. Right, you see how I need to still kind of define right here? A little bit better for the eye, for the little nose. And the outcome is just adorable. And, there's going to be imperfections because you made it. It's homemade. This didn't come out on a machine being punched out. And if you have one, fantastic. but I do not, so I'm going to hand do them. So now what I would do is I would go ahead and outline. I have a paper plate that I've been using for my messes. So make sure my ink comes out, paint, I should say. And I'm just going to go ahead and outline. You want to make sure that the paint keeps coming out. It's nice and wet, and I'm going to stop right about here because that's where I'm going to put the black Sharpie for the feet. And if you have you see something I'm doing, you don't like it, don't do it. Do something different. This is just giving you ideas. Creativity. Making something out of nothing. I've got a party, what am I going to do? Oh my goodness. I'm first time grandparent and I'd like to throw a baby shower. What can I do? Well, come up with something neat. Come up with an idea, a theme. Just as I have, you can do your own. But the wonderful thing about YouTube is you get so many wonderful ideas. And the neat thing is that people aren't afraid to share their ideas with everybody. And that's what's so wonderful. You gotta shake it up a little bit. And this is for the little fluffy butt. Cute little tail. You'll see. Just give it a little bit of highlight there. We're going to put the spots on the back. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to let that dry a little bit. So, do the nose. Beautiful little button nose, so pretty. Now I'm going to take the silver and highlight right here. Wonderful. I'm going to take a piece of the sponge, the foam, excuse me, from here where I cut out a piece. I just cut little pieces. No wrongs or rights, just have fun. Be creative. Okay? So it's just a little bit of the inside of the ear. That's about right. Just a dab. Hot glue. There you go. Go down. And I'm going to put the little inside of the ear in there. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight again. I'll actually use both. Okay? So around the outer rim of the inside of the ear, a little bit of gold. Okay? And you do however, like I said, however you like it, do it that way. there's something you don't like that I'm doing, don't do it. If you found a more clever way to do something, please do it. Make your life easier. But these are just some little ideas. I'm using a little pair of tweezers to get these off. Just a dab of glue for the eye. It dries pretty quick. There you go. See how sweet that is? Being creative. It's fun. And the glue, and that's another wonderful thing about these little tweezers. You get the little glue strands from the hot glue. So we're going to create the eyelash. Just 2 markings. 1, 2. Done. You want to add just a little glisten to the eyelash. Just a dash. You don't have to put much on there. Okay, you see how pretty? Beautiful. Work in progress. And then what we're going to do now is take a piece of this foam. Piece of the fur. What am I saying? Foam. Boy. Just cut a little piece. Okay? You can shape it like you think a tail would look. And now look, this comes off. A lot of this fur, and that's okay. Shape it a little bit. All right, now we're going to put a little bit of glue here for the tail. Kind of a lot of glue, just a little dot, just a dot is all you need. A little goes a long way. Look how cute that is. My goodness, that's adorable. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put the paper flowers on the head. Now I'd like to get one that has glitter on it, one that doesn't. You'll see why. I'm going to put 3 across the head. I'm going to do a yellow and a pretty pink. Kind of just eye it. I like to put the yellow close to the ear because I'm doing pink as well. So I'm going to do pink on this side of the forehead. See how cute that is? Oh my goodness, you can do anything you want. Hot. There you go. It's wonderful. It's coming together. All right, so now we're going to do our bow. So I already have the bow connected. I'm going to go ahead and place the bow right here in the middle, lower middle of the deer. So I'm not covering up too much. What I did was take my strand of ribbon, crossed it over, glued. I'll show you how I did that. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue right here. Just a dash. And just a dash there. There we go. Calloused fingers from being burnt so much. All right. Don't need much. Goes a long, long way. Absolutely precious. So now we're going to go ahead and glue the pin. Wonderful. There you have it. A beautiful party favor for a baby shower. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed. And good luck and have fun. Be creative. Let me know what you did. Share and like. Thank you so much.